So let's see today's delicious recipe of date and walnut cake. So to a large bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of deseeded dates or khajur. With the back of your spoon, just lightly press them down. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we're just going to mix it gently so that the baking soda coats all of the dates. Next, I'm going to pour 1 cup of boiling hot water over the dates and then spread them evenly so that they are submerged under this hot boiling water. And now we're going to cover and keep this aside for 45 minutes. What this will do is it will really soften the dates and the cake will be nice and moist. So after 45 minutes, our dates have softened. Just mash them up gently. We don't want to make it into a paste. We want the pieces of the dates, but we just want to mash them up a little bit. Now I'm going to add half a cup of powdered sugar. Now if you don't want to add the sugar, you can add another cup of dates at the beginning itself. So instead of using 1 cup of dates, you can add 2 cups of dates to initially with the boiling water, etc. So you can skip the sugar completely that way. Now I've taken 2 eggs and I'm just going to beat them. And I'm going to add this to the mixture. And we're going to just whisk this really well together so that the eggs get incorporated into this mixture. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of melted butter. Mix this in well. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix everything well. Now this would be a good time to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cup of flour. So to this flour, it's a separate bowl. I've taken 1.5 cup of plain flour. To that I've added 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're just going to whisk this gently so that the baking powder and the flour get well incorporated. And I'm going to add these dry ingredients to our wet mixture. Fold all of this in well really nicely till you get a nice smooth batter like this. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of walnuts that I've chopped roughly. And I've also set aside 1/4 cup of walnuts to be added on top so that they get nicely roasted or toasted rather, while the cake is baking. Now I'm going to pour this into a 7-inch round cake tin. And now I'm just going to add this 1/4 cup of walnuts on top so that they get toasted and they look pretty also. And now we're going to bake this cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes or till a knife inserted into the cake comes out clean, as every oven is different. And here our cake is all ready. So you can see that the knife has come out clean. So our cake is all ready to enjoy, but we're going to cool it down completely before we dig into it and before we cut into it. So now I'm just going to demold the cake once the cake has completely cooled down. Take off the baking paper and just overturn the cake using another plate like this. So our delicious date and walnut cake is all ready to enjoy. So you can just cut it up and have a slice. I hope you give this recipe a try, guys. Give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video.